In this tutorial, I make crankshaft bushing. Select right plane, sketch, circle, smart dimension 76.20, 127. Go to feature, extrude boss 19.05. OK. Click on this face. Click on this face, sketch, convert entity, go to offset entity, distance 2.54. OK, go to feature, extrude boss 2.54. OK. If you want to apply color, click on right, appearance, body. OK. If you want save this part, press Ctrl plus S to save this part on desktop. Name crankshaft bushing and press OK. Press Ctrl plus N for new part. OK. Click on right plane, sketch, circle, smart dimension 25.4 and inner circle 19.05. OK. Go to feature, extrude boss, select mid plane, distance 19.05. 19.05. OK. Go to appearance, face, OK. Appearance, face, OK. Thank you.